If your WhatsApp account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision to regain access. Follow these steps to submit your appeal effectively. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your device. Ensure you are connected to the internet for the process. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. In the app, go to the Settings menu. You can find this by tapping on the 3 dots in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right corner for iPhone. Step 3. Select Help. Within the Settings menu, look for the Help option. Tap on it to access further assistance options related to your account. Step 4. Contact Support. Choose the Contact Us option from the Help section. Here, you can explain your situation and provide details about your account restriction. Step 5. Submit your appeal. Fill out the required fields in the contact form, including your phone number and a brief explanation of why you believe the restriction should be lifted. Once completed, submit your appeal. Once you've submitted your appeal, wait for a response from WhatsApp support. They will review your case and inform you of their decision.